Good morning, students and my dear friends. Today, this side Polemy, I'm going to explain you in English the chapter The Desert from NCERT Board Class 7. So, without wasting much time, let's begin. Those of us who live in regions covered with forests, so most of us, those who are living in regions, that is those states, okay, which are mainly covered with forest, like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, okay, like this, and surrounded by hills, as I just now give example, may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is really like, because those people who are living in these kind of areas like forest or hill area, they may find it difficult to imagine what really desert is, because we people, most of us go to desert just for a vacation but not for staying, right? The popular belief is that there is a belief about desert. What is it? That it is an endless stretch of desert. That desert is mainly full of sand and sand everywhere, where there is no rainfall, and also at the same time, due to this, that is without rain and too much hot, and there is no soil for vegetation to grow. It is dry, hot, waterless, and without shelter. So they also imagine what the desert is very dry, due to that there is no soil, and due to its dryness, the temperature or the climate is what? It is hot and humid, and it is too hot and humid, there is less amount of rainfall, that means less amount of water, and due to this there is less amount of shelter. Shelter means very less amount of people, animals, plants live in areas like desert. But this is not entirely correct. But yes, what the author is saying, that this imagination is not fully correct. Why? Let's find out. For those who have studied it, that means those who are studying desert in geography or anything, they find it desert as a beautiful place. Why it is beautiful? Because desert is the home of a variety of people, animal, and plants. So desert also, in desert area, why it is beautiful? Because in desert area people also live. There are few animals found in desert area or desert region, and at the same time we also found very few amount of vegetation, but there is vegetation and plants, okay? It is but that have learned to live under very hot and dry conditions, but at the same time those who are living in desert area, that is those people or those animals or those plants who are living, who have started their growth, their livelihood in desert region, they have already came familiar with the climate and the temperature of desert. So what is the temperature and the climate of desert? That it is very hot and very dry also. True, the ground is not always hidden by cover of a grass. So it is true that in desert region the ground is always not covered with what? With grass or plants, or even there we do not find there are a lot of trees in desert area, just as compared with other areas which is having some different climates. But whenever in desert it rains, though it is very rare. Which is very rare? What is very rare? Both rain. Okay, both rain and also what it is also the desert flower that is very beautiful, and this desert flower blooms only when it is rain in desert. Okay, so that's why it is saying that it is what? The blooming of the desert flower is something like a reward. Okay, why? It is something like a gift of Mother Nature. A desert is not always a flat. So as we know that desert is not at all flat like plain or anything like that. Okay, unchanging wasteland of dry sand and unchanging wasteland. Wasteland means, what is wasteland? The land which is not in use. A land which is not in use, that is, which became barren or even overgrown. Okay, it may have mountains and hills. So desert may have what? Desert may have mountains and hills, but in very few amount we can see, and most of the mountains and the desert found in desert area is also made up of sand. It may have an oasis. So at the same time we all know that a desert is also having what? A treasure like thing, and that is an oasis. Now an oasis size can vary. That is, an oasis can be big, an oasis can be small. It varies with the size and the shapes also. Now what is an oasis? Do you know the meaning of an oasis? And oasis is actually a fertile spot in a desert where water and plantation is found. Okay, so over here they are saying that an oasis is like a green land in the middle of a desert. Okay, and this oasis acts as a spring or a well which helps in bringing and growing plants and trees in a better way. Okay, next, a desert may be hot like the Thar, that is a Thar desert. We all know that during the daytime, when sun is there in the sky, during the daytime the desert is very very hot, just like Thar desert. But at the same time, when sun sets, it is too cold in desert area, and the author is comparing the coldness of a desert region with what? With the beautiful place that is Ladakh. Hope you all or few of us went to Ladakh. Let me know your comments below. Okay, next, generally if we speak, if a place has little or no water, so if a place is not having much amount of water, what happens? The vegetations, people usually call it a desert. So normally whenever a place or a region is not having much amount of water, much amount of vegetation, much amount of trees and plantation even, we instantly call that particular region or that particular area as a barren land or desert. Okay, next, some deserts are almost totally without water. So some parts of desert is absolutely without water. In such places, strong winds blows raising heaps of sand, and in those places where there is absolutely no sign of water. There, what happens? A strong wind always blows out, and this strong wind always keep on rising the sand and creating a heap of sand. Okay, and this heap of sand is also known as sand dunes. So what do you mean by sand dunes? You know what do you mean by sand dunes? Sand dunes you can find in your geography book. And please let me know what do you mean by sand dunes in my comments below. Okay? That shift and move endlessly across the desert. And what happens? These sand dunes keep on shifting and moving constantly across the desert. Few plants can also survive in this dry, hot, humid and also in shifting sands. So today up to this much. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you understood my explanation in English. And please, if you have any doubts or queries, please let me know in my comments below. I'll be waiting for your like, share and comments. Thank you.